Hello guys, I'm bringing you today an unboxing of my computer parts that I will be using to build a computer, of course. So first off, let's get to this case. It's some focus for you guys. Sorry that it is backwards. It's a PC-9F aluminum PC case. It is super nice. It's by Lee. I think that's the name. Alright, let's get into this. Sorry. Alrighty. Cut into the box. Big box, guys, big box. I got full tower case for it. Oh, that is nice. Are you guys having too much of a glare? Hang on one sec. Sorry guys, just trying to make it best for you. Alright, yeah, that's better. Okay, alright, let's pull this out. Sorry guys, I have to go off camera. Wow, this is light. It's lighter than... Oh wow, this is super light. Alrighty. That is big. Wig. Alrighty. So let's open this up. Tip it on the side. Okay. Oh wow. Guys, you have no idea how beautiful this case is. Brushed aluminum. Okay. Here's what's included. It's a little manual with like accessories that you can get. Okay. Accessories and all that good stuff that you'll probably never need or want to get. Alright. Alright, so let's pull this case. Alright. So here we have SATA, USB 3, audio microphone, headset and power reset. I do believe that's reset. No hard drive. Sorry, I'm looking at this case. Alright. So we got a fan. Alrighty. Alright, right here where the power will go, 8 PCI slots, the I/O board will go, so, and nothing on the other side. Alright, so let's open this baby up. Guys, I am so excited. Hey, you can finally see my face. Alrighty. Open this guy up. This may be in parts, so FYI. Alrighty. So here we have the fan. It is a Molex plug. It's kind of strange. Okay, this is a grill. This is where all the shoot, sorry guys. This is where all like screws are. The power LED, the hard drive LED, and the reset switch, and the power switch. It's down there. You have the 6 drive bays, I think. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 drive bays. And then I wonder if, oh yeah, it pops off. Alrighty. So, and then this is where your Sorry guys, I'm having a brain fart today because I'm so excited. That is where your DVD drive will go. Alright, so I will set this up to this side and we'll get to that later. Alright, so I bought all this stuff from Newegg for $8.38. So I'll bring the it closer to you guys. Alright, great reviews come all from geeks. I think that's what it says. Alright. Okay, sorry. I'm having camera difficulties today. Okay. Alright. So first thing, we have RAM by Ripjaws. This is an 8 gigs of RAM. Yep, 8 gigs of RAM. Okay. Put it back here. Okay, we have Windows 7 Professional. I do not like Windows 8 interface. It looked completely stupid for me. Completely stupid to get. Alright, next we have Intel Core i5 processor. This is Ivy Bridge. Okay. We do have the MK3 80 Bronze Plus 500 watt power thing. Ah, sorry. Alright, we have an LG we have an LG DVD drive. Put that open for you guys. Get it open. Alright. There it is. LG. It's a MO disc. Super multi. Okay. Let's go there. I do not know what this is. This is the hard drive in here. It is a 1 terabyte Western Digital. There you are. It is a green power hard drive by Western Digital. I think I already said that. Alright, I got this for free. This is AVG antivirus. Because we all know PCs get viruses. Alrighty, I think this is the last thing that I bought. Yes. And we have the GIGABYTE board. This is a Z77-D3H. So, it has a 3D BIOS. This looks cool. So we got SATA. Yeah. All that goody stuff. I'll give you a glimpse of that. And I'll show you the complete product when I'm done. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. But I'll be back once I'm done with this computer build. Alright guys, see you later. Bye. Alright guys, I said I would be back. Alright, so I'm going to show what I all did. Here's the power supply. 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. The motherboard with the Intel CPU. Sorry guys, I am pointing my headlamp in here. Alright, so there it is. Core i5 processor. Fan. 2 more fans in the front. Alright, up there we got the Logitech Modis. I don't know what, but it's a DVD. Alright, right here we have on the top of the LAN case SATA, USB 3, microphone, headset. That's a screw right there. Right there, that's a screw. hard drive status, like reset. This one's reset. Power. This one's red, like it lights up red. Here, I'll just turn on for you guys. Want to focus for you guys. At least not be all. But as you can see, I downloaded Windows on it. Oh, that thing's alright. So we got the silencer. That thing is super quiet. This whole machine is quiet. That fan you're probably hearing is my server fan. See, watch. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty loud, huh? Yeah, that's my server fan. Alright, and here's the I/O ports. Alright. I'll try to get some light back here so you guys I'm in the tight corner. Alright. Microphone. Headset. Line in. I do not know what these two ports are, but this is digital. Ethernet port, two USB 2.0, 4 USB 3.0, another 2 this is HDMI, DVI, VGA, more USB, USB 2.0, can't talk, and this is the keyboard. That's a keyboard and mouse, like a PCI, no. Sorry guys, I forgot what that's called. I know what it's called. But as you can see, it has downloaded. I do not want to show you my full name.